and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today is September 3rd, 2022, and I have got some good news for you guys. So, for all of you out there who have been asking me to do a cookbook, guess what? It's ready, it's ready, it's ready. I need you guys to stay tuned so that you can get all the information about it. Those of you who are not subscribers, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can stay abreast of what's all going on with the cookbook. And guess what? Of course, the cookbook is called Lavonne's Kitchen. Okay, it will be available in hardcover, softcover, and an ebook. I just got the cover back and the book cover, and I'm gonna let you guys have a sneak peek at it, and I am going to also give you guys some more information about the book as we continue to get closer to it. I think we've only got maybe another week and a half before it's complete. So you guys make sure you're staying tuned and following, hitting that notification bell so you can get notified of what's all going on. The book will have over 100 recipes in it. So some of the things that you've seen me cook on here, but didn't actually have the recipe written out, a lot of those will be in the book. And if it's not, we may be having another book come out after, but you know, we're gonna do the first one first, okay? So I am going to have a book tour. I'm gonna give you the flyers so that you can see that and see where we're gonna have book signings all over the place. I have about 5 or 6 book signings in Michigan. I've got a couple in Florida. I have one in Texas. I have a really big one in North Carolina. It's a 3-day thing. So if you are in any of those states, make sure that you come out, see me, get your book signed, you know, free of charge, of course. I'm signing, you know, but not the book, just the signature. But yeah, I am going to put the flyers that have all the information about the book signings, and I'm going to give you a flyer also that has the entire book tour on it, so you have information about that. So in the meantime, you guys just stay tuned, and the information's coming because the book is coming. It's coming soon, okay? So I will see you guys probably one more time before the book comes out with some information about the book, probably just to let you know that it is out. So you guys stay tuned, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.